Hey class, Absolute 5 here, and today we're talking a little bit more in depth into word problems. So, with word problems, I feel you need to do four things. Got my little trusty notes here. You need to first understand the problem by reading the question twice. No matter how long and strenuous they are, you have to read them at least twice as minimum. Because the first time you read it, you might be thinking of something else. You might be worried about life. Your mind is not even there. And so when you read it the second time, you actually think, okay, I'm actually here. Let me take this seriously. The next step is to translate the equation. And after you translate the equation, you have to solve. So before you had to just simply write the equation, but you didn't have to solve it. But that was the first time I was talking about when you had to translate word problems. Now this time you translate them and you solve them. And the last step is you have to interpret the results, meaning you have to think critically of, like, let's say if you're doing like a real life word problem, you have to think, okay, what do these results specify? What do they mean after I've solved them? So anyway, let's get right into the first example. Twice a number added to 7 is the same as 3 subtracted from the number. Find the number. One more time. Twice a number added to 7 is the same as 3 subtracted from the number. So let's think. We know something's being multiplied twice. So we don't know what that number is. So let's just call it X or whatever letter you want to use. You could use D for all I care, or F. I don't know. Added to 7. Sorry. A little picky. Added to 7 is the same mean the word is means equal, the same as 3 subtracted from the number. Now remember, there's one key word there you got to look out for, and that's from. I would have written, most students probably would have written 3 subtracted X, which is the wrong thing. You have to make sure, since the word from, that next thing that comes after it is the first thing that comes, and then you put subtract 3. Am I finished? No. Now I just have to simply solve the equation. So I'm going to subtract 7 on both sides, and I'm left with 2x equals x minus 10, and then I'm going to subtract x on both sides. X is canceled. So I'm left with x equals negative 10 as my final answer. Okay? Let's go down to the next problem. 3 times a number minus 6 is the same as 2 times the number plus 3. Find the number. One more time. 3 times a number is minus 6 is the same as 2 times the number plus 3. Find the number. So we know something's being multiplied by 3. Minus 6, the word is means equal, same as 2. See, now here's the thing. Why don't I write plus 3 2 times that? That doesn't make sense because the word from is not there. So I don't have to flip things around. I just read everything from left to right. So is the same as 2 times the number plus 3 to find the number. I always like to work the numbers first before I do the letters. So I'm left with 3x. These cancel. 2x plus 9. And I subtract 2x on both sides. And I'm left with x equals 9. And I'm done. See? Not so bad, right? Now, this is a... Is this part of the script? Let me stop. Yes, it is. It's a nice, long, messy word problem that's designed to put you to sleep. So let's get right into it. A computer science major at a local university has a part-time job working on computers for his clients. He charges $20 an hour, $20 to go to your home or office, and then $25 per hour. So I got that a little confused. During 1 month, he visited 10 homes or 20 or offices, and his total income was $575. How many hours did he spend working on computers? Now that's very important. Let's read the whole thing again. A computer science major at a local university has a part-time job working on computers for his clients. Okay, that detail is not important. He charges $20 to go to your home or office, and then $25 per hour. During during 1 month he visited 10 homes or offices and his total income was $575. How many hours did he spend working on computers? Well, let's think. The question's asking for hours here. That's very key to remember. So first off, we already know this man he charges $20 to go to a home or office, so we'll put the little dollar symbol there. And within this month, he went to 10 homes. So you could add 20 10 times, or you can just say 20 times 10. Now, he also charged an additional $25 per hour. But the thing is, the question is asking how many hours he did. So we don't know that. Guess what we're going to put there? X. And his total, which is equal to, that's where the word total means equal, we get $575. Let me make those fives look like 5. So therefore, now we have our equation we're going to solve. 2 times 10 is 200 plus 25x equals 575. I subtract 200 on both sides. I'm left with 25x is equal to 375. I divide both sides by 25. So my x is equal to 15 after you've done the arithmetic. So as you can see, I already pre-planned this, so that's your homework question for tonight. I will be sure to read the question twice for you. A car rental agency charges $28 a day and 15 cents a mile. If you rent a car for a day and your bill is $52, how many miles did you drive? One more time. A car rental agency charges $28 a day and 15 cents a mile. If you rent a car for a day and your bill is $52, how many miles did you drive? Key word here will be miles, and that's the hint I'll give. And so that's the lesson for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Mash the bell button for more content, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. This has been Absolute 5. I'm Roger Palomino. Math is infinite because there are infinitely many possibilities. And don't forget, don't hate, calculate.